In this video, we will highlight the steps you must take to ensure you are not left behind. The future of real estate is powered by AI. This course will show you how to stay abreast of developments in technology. You will also learn how to become a more efficient, knowledgeable, and successful agent. In today's session, we'll be talking about continuous learning and staying up to date within the real estate sector, especially when it comes to AI and AI technology and how things can be applied within your business and how you can stay on top of the things that are changing. So there's a lot of technology right now that was science fiction just last year. So examples are virtual staging, virtual tours, chatbots that can respond to your clients 24/7, that with information that's bespoke to your own business, and the ease with which that technology can be implemented is the ease that's new, perhaps not the chatbot itself so much. So today we're going to talk about different ways that you can stay in touch and stay up to date with what is new, and more crucially, knowing the things that you have to deploy or implement within your business so that you stay ahead of your competition. So just to recap what we covered yesterday and over the last few days, AI is not a replacement, but it's there as an assistant and to partner you in delivering new things within your business and speeding up your business processes. And by embracing AI, you agents, professionals within the real estate sector can become more efficient and provide a higher level of service to your clients. So what is the importance of continuous learning? Well, as I've already mentioned, the field of AI is constantly evolving, constantly changing, new tools appearing, some tools disappearing. So if you are staying within the sector, you need to make sure that you understand what has been released, what is new, what's changing. If there are any mergers or collaborations, you need to know what those are so that you can adjust your business posture to handle that. So the fast-paced nature of AI means that as things keep being developed, there is new functionality that the latest solutions tend to bring to the market. So some of the questions you may ask yourself might include, well, I'm using one tool for my virtual staging. This new one has come out and is providing X functionality. Is it time to move across to that one, or should I just stay? And you need to understand that because the evolution is so fast-paced, new tools will come up with new ideas and new concepts. And eventually one would appear that you'd want to settle upon. So I'm going to talk about three different areas where AI has made significant improvements. So first is virtual staging. Virtual staging is essentially where you as an agent, you receive a listing for an empty space. So it could be a flat, it could be an apartment, it could be one room or the living room. And all you have to do is take a picture of that space, put it in an app, for example, Virtual Staging AI, and give the Virtual Staging AI a prompt, which is just text, to say, well, redecorate the space and give it a style, give it some guidelines, and automatically that space is converted to what you want it to be. Now, you know what the advantages of that entail. For your client, it means that you can have something more bespoke for every single client. So the space can be decorated differently for each client that's interested. Or you can even send them out after the app for them to create a space that they would like. But the whole idea is to make the space appealing to your clients so that they can make a purchase. The next one is automated valuation models. There are many models that do this. The banks have had this for a long time within their businesses, and Zillow's estimate has been around for a few years now. All you have to do is put in your address and it will provide you with a report as to what the value of your property. That's all based on AI and looking at historical data. And each territory tends to have something that's customized to that environment in terms of what address it looks at and how the information is provided. So the final one out of the three is the AI powered marketing. So customers.ai is one that we've talked about on one of the previous courses. This helps you with your lead generation, your funnel, so that your clients appear at the top of your funnel and you provide information and engage with them until they eventually make a sale. The other way to stay up to date is to keep yourself informed with publications and different websites. I know not many people purchase physical magazines right now, but there are websites that are extremely useful. So like Rise Media, inman.com, and PropTech VC, wonderful websites, and they all have different solutions that they bring to the market. So Rise Media is just a real estate news information source. It's not so much dedicated to just technology, but technology is part of what they cover. Inman is focused on technology and innovation in real estate, and the PropTech VC will tell you what venture capitalists are investing in and some ideas as to products that are likely to appear on the market shortly after you read what they're investing in. The other way to stay informed is to attend conferences, summits, and I've just pasted two really popular ones: Real Estate Tech Conference, so RETCon, and the London PropTech Show. Those are very useful events to attend. They're also very good for networking and seeing what is likely to appear in the market. The other way to stay informed is obviously social media groups. That's a fairly easy one to attain. Within your Facebook account, you can join these groups. There are prop tech groups. Those ones are good ones. You can look for AI in real estate groups as well. Join those and become part of the community and join in the conversations. A fourth one is autoread.ai. We have a blog and we have some resources that are available to you. We've got an ebook that's also available to you. And now and again, we study white papers for models that are released, and we try and make those apply to the real estate industry. And for those, we'll do videos. You can also watch our YouTube videos or subscribe to our channel. Autoread AI is our channel, and we post relevant information and information that's also to a large extent future proof, as much as you can be future proof in an industry that's rapidly growing and changing. So how do you utilize all of this information? Yes, you're already a busy agent. How are you going to add more sources of information to your life and complicate things in some cases, or you just do not have time for it? Well, the first thing is you do have to make that time if it's an area of interest. But the key thing is identify the key areas that you want to learn about. So if it's lead generation, understand a lot more about AI lead generation and how it applies to real estate. Experiment, sign up for the free sessions and demos, and understand a bit more as to how you can get the technology to work for you. So define what goals you want to achieve. Make sure they follow the SMART protocols, so specific, measurable, achievable, and the rest. And then choose the resource you would use to get your information. So publications, webinars, blogs, watching our YouTube videos, and subscribing to our channel or some other channels that also exist and talk about this AI technology from different angles. So there's a lot of information, not forgetting podcasts as well. So autoread.ai really can partner with you in any aspect of AI. You can join us, engage with us, and join our newsletter. You can also reach out to us on our website and join our waitlist for an AI audit, which we can do for you once you get to the point on the wait list when it's your turn. And if there's anything you want to implement that you find challenging, or you need some consultancy work, do feel free to reach out to us. We'll partner with you, work with you, and make sure that whatever you put in work seamlessly with your current business operations. Now, it's not mandatory that you reach out to Autoree.ai, but in many cases, you may just want somebody to explain what the technology is and how it can benefit you. So to wrap things up, firstly, this is a dynamic field. It's very exciting. It's going to really skyrocket your business, just even if it's just removing the mundane tasks and replacing those mundane tasks with a machine that's consistent and predictable, and freeing up your agents to do other things, which will bring in more revenue. So it's definitely a field that's worth keeping your eyes on. And continuous learning cannot be overstated. It prepares you for what's coming down the pike. And valuable resources, we've talked about publications, conferences, Facebook groups, and different blogs that you can join. And with regards to your strategy, just pick an area to begin with and then understand that area, and then you can pick another one afterwards. And AI is ready to assist you in everything you need to do. Also, I'd ask a favor. Please post your questions in the comment section. If there's anything that's not clear or you have any feedback, just put it in the comment section and I'll be sure to respond to it. So Autoree.ai is an AI-driven solutions provider for real estate. So whatever your concerns are, whatever your challenges are, do reach out, and we'll be happy to help guide you to a solution. And if it's something that we've not done before, we'd work together to find the best resource to help you get to where you need to be. But ultimately, we want to work with you to automate some of your business steps and grow your business. We can provide you with a solution that means that your clients are engaged regardless of the time of day or regardless of where they're coming from. And we can also create custom knowledge bases for you. And what is a custom knowledge base? Essentially, a portal that lets you query any documentation that you have, regardless of when that documentation was created. If it's a PDF or it's a Word documentation, you can just ask it a question. And especially with legal documents, you can do that and it will provide you the best answer for what you're interested in. So reach out to us on our website, Autoree.ai, subscribe to our blogs and newsletter. You can also send an email to uwa@autoree.ai and we'll be sure to respond. So thank you very much for your time and really appreciate you joining me. Please do ensure that you've made the commitment to stay on top of the technology. And if not for anything, just engage with people in the different Facebook groups and social media just to make sure that you are abreast of any changes coming down. Until next time, keep investing.